Okay, let's go.
Let me put on my
Can you hold this? I need to get this stuff.
I'm gonna do the intro.
Mine's like white.
We're going snowboarding,
I
guys.
might need this coat later.
Give me the camera.
Really? What? You prefer to wear my blue one? Or the glove? The blue one is you can put on it.
Look at this.
Take.
Hey, look, look at that.
Here, take a picture. Take. That looks like a bed. Oh, we need the sun is so high. Look at this. Look.
Okay, we gotta take a picture of this. Come on.
Yeah, we need that.
Follow him. You're walking too fast. You're walking too fast. I think I have snow on my shirt. I felt something wrong. Oh. Oh my god. So hard to walk.
I'm gonna have you try.
Hey, what? Be my cameraman then.
Let's go by. Press it. Did you press it? Come on, Caleb. Come on. We'll go all the way to the top, okay? All right, go. Red line. This way you have to stay. Oh my butt. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Good job, Jake. That's not too bad. So, stand right here, guys. Stand right here.
Ooh,
Okay.
it's so high.
Easiest way down is this way.
Wait, what is that?
But
What's that green one?
that's the easiest way down. Advance is that way. Hey, can you stay here a little bit up? 7,700 feet, okay? That fall hurt my butt.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
Low.
So yeah, lean back.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it.
I'm going fast or going fast?
No, like break. Like this. Watch, guys, watch. Go this way. I tell you go this way. Come on, Jake. To your left more, Caleb. Pick up. Lean, yeah, like that. More this way. You're going the wrong way. Yeah, let it go that way. Let it go that way, yeah. Let it go that way. Don't worry about it. Let it go that way. Yeah, you're doing good, Jake.
Don't fly too high.
Don't worry about me.
Be sure to keep them.
Yeah, break, lean back. You're doing good, Jake. Okay, go first, Jake. You're doing good. Yeah, doing good. You're doing good, Jake. Yeah, you slide down. It's just too fast. You think it's too fast. Okay, turn. Where's Caleb? Relax. Okay, do straight line now. Yeah, like that. Put your hand out. Yeah. Keep going. Put your hand out. Keep going. Okay. Keep going. Just let it go that way. Bend your knee a little bit and make it straight. Make it straight, Jake. Make it straight. That was so fun. Okay. Whoa. Go that way. Good thing is the paddle. Oh shit. I'm off roll. Uh-oh. How am I gonna do this? Oh. Now go change direction, yeah. Now, get down. Hey. Okay, good. Do not leave. Okay, put your feet down like that. You go straight, okay? Not yet. Stand up a little bit. Go. Oh, that was so close. Okay, there you go. Wait. Why are you braking, Elaine? Go straight. Switch around, turn around. I'm going to go one more time again. Stay low, heads out. No, take control. Stay in control, Jake. Stay in control. Good. You didn't fall this time. Good job, Jake. Stay stable. Stable. Good. Don't worry about me. Oh, he's so close. Relax. You pushed me, dude. Oh my god. Don't break, keep going down straight. Yeah, that's how you do it, Jake. Okay, get up. Let's go. I'm your cameraman. Get up and go. Bend your knee. Yeah, bend your knee. Bend your knee. What is? Bend your knees, Jake. Bend your knees.